One of the most difficult sounds that we have in Afrikaans, and a lot of people struggle with this, is the R sound in Afrikaans. We don't do r, we don't roll it in our mouth, we make it quite a harsh rrr sound. And the best way I can describe it is when you're freezing cold and you walk and you go brrr, it's freezing cold. So your tongue goes to the back of your front teeth, you let the air flow through, and rrr, brrr. Let's have a look at some words in Afrikaans. We have rug, rooi, berg. Can you hear? It's quite a harsh sound. It's not softened. Berg, rooi, rug, rug, brrr. And we have rooi, rooi. Can you hear? Rrr. Remember to subscribe. See you in the next lesson.